excited? Yeah, you look very excited. Good morning. Welcome to the first day of Vlogtober. I'm in my office this morning. We just got done taking Clover to the dog park. Had a nice, relaxing morning. He has really dirty feet. But for the first day of Vlogtober, we're gonna go apple picking. We're gonna grab some cider donuts. We're gonna grab a pumpkin maybe, and we're gonna grab a bunch of apples. And we're basically gonna have a fun New England-y fall time. So I'm very excited. I think we're all filled up on apples, so we either have to eat a lot of apples over the next few weeks, or I'm gonna make some apple things. But I don't know how good Honeycrisp are for cooking, but we're probably just mostly gonna eat them. What are you doing?
I think I dropped one.
You dropped one?
I don't know.
got our bag of apples, and we also have an apple cider donut each, and we got these cute little pumpkins for decorating. So I'm gonna put these somewhere around here.
Of you, oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can.
Got a couple things from Amazon that arrived today. I know one of them is like office stuff and one is a backpack, because my backpack that I've had for years and years that I love so much has finally bit in the dust, and I've been really hesitant to replace it because I love it so much, but sometimes things have to be replaced. Oh no, these are well, there's this one cooling rack, OXO cooling rack, and it fits right in the baking sheet that I have. This one's got to be the backpack, and I ordered some highlighter tape or highlighters. Maybe the highlighters are going to come like tomorrow. Okay. Oh, no, the highlighters are here. I got some pastel highlighters because I'm like that. I don't use sheet music that much, but when I do, I like to use a highlighter. So my highlighter ran out of juice, ever so sadly, yesterday, so I was just like, oh, let's get some more. And, oh, here's my backpack. I hope this backpack is everything that I want and more. Ooh, it comes with this little, it's a little dust bag, dust jacket thing. Lava look. Okay. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Oh, it's a nice size. And it's got gold hardware. That's cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, you can put like all like little tiny things in the front here. And you can put more stuff here. And like there's a little pocket there. For my water bottle on the side. That'll be really helpful for rehearsal. Oh, no, no, no. Is this for the... I think this is for the battery charger for your phone. So you can put your little battery pack down in here if you need to charge your phone, and then the cord goes out like that. Wait, no. This is for the battery pack? Anyway, there's a little USB thing right here. Right here. This backpack is for the future. I bought my backpack like years and years ago when there was no USB charging anything. Okay, big chorus folder. Okay, it fits in the front. Yay! All right, I'm glad to have a brand new backpack. It's been a long time coming. This wasn't too expensive. I think it was like $35, but I really like it. Oh, there we go. It's like magnetic. These buttons aren't the best, but they'll do. Okay, yay! This is cute. Here is the cooling rack that's right inside the OXO baking sheet, and it looks really good. Paint. I haven't opened it yet. I have to get back to the painter to see if he's available to help us because we're not painting. My bud is asleep in here. Just chilling. Oh, I didn't mean to wake you up. Hello, sweetness. Eve is working outside on the porch. You can't see him, but oh, now he's coming in. Hello, so it's Vlogtober, which means you get me on the floor in my office and basically talking about random things, cleaning, organizing, and doing wholesome fall things to make you feel cozy, hopefully. So I didn't get as much accomplished today as I wanted to. It's like 3 o'clock almost, but I did, you saw me. I was warming up, doing vocal exercises, and practicing for like an audition in like March. So I'm trying to be proactive about my vocal fitness. Sorry, the Roomba is like in the background. I'm sure you can hear it. My vocal fitness has not been like what I would like it to be over the past few years. And I think that if I just keep consistently keeping fit, that it's gonna be good. I've been so afraid of getting sick over the past 2 years that like I'll get into like a good routine with vocal fitness and then I will get out of it. So I think that I really need to stick to my guns. Frankly, I have really missed vlogging and talking to you all through my camera lens. I don't know, well, I think a few people noticed that I have been a little burnt out over the past year. I, of course, have been dealing with grief. I had a huge loss in February and it's been a lot for everybody in my family. But I have especially been super sad and not feeling like opening of myself too much to this side of the internet. I've been kind of closed off a little bit, and sometimes when I get like the snarky comments about how I'm cleaning my messy closet but I help people organize, isn't that funny and weird? Sometimes that makes me want to not vlog at all. But I want to say that I am a normal human being just like you out there, and I want to show that normal human beings are also professional organizers. So everybody who helps others organize their homes has a messy place. Like, we all have messy places because I'm living in my home. I'm not just using it as a museum. I am living in here, and I don't live alone either. So I have a dog and a husband, and there's people in and out of here. And so it's really all about maintenance. So my goal is to show realistically that things get messy even if you are an organizing professional. But the only difference between an organizing professional and somebody who gets overwhelmed is my tolerance for putting it back together is much higher, and I'm good at puzzle solving, which is why I like video games a lot. So I haven't had a chance to play video games in like days, and I'm like itching. I really want to. There's a game that came out today called Lemon Cake that I really want to play. It's like a bakery game. It's right in my alley, even though I don't really bake at all. But I'm excited to be sharing this month with you. I love October. Oh, my bird clock. I got a bird clock from the nursery when I went there to go get stuff for the porch, and it surprises me still every time it goes off. But it makes me laugh, so I love it. I got a really exciting opportunity happening in the middle of the month, possibly, so I might need to do some pre-filming, but I will vlog as much as I can. I do have like regular videos that are also scheduled to go up, so I think the schedule will be similar to last year, where it's like vlog Monday through Friday and pre-recorded videos Saturday and Sunday, so that I get a little bit of a break. But there'll be something for you to watch every day of the month if I can keep it up. And if I don't, that's totally fine. I tried. But I think that it's gonna be fun, and I really liked apple picking. We were talking about going again. We were like, oh, we could go again, but then I was like, we have so many apples, I don't think that we'll need to go again. So tomorrow or this evening, I think I'm gonna bake some of those apples and use them in my oatmeal tomorrow. I think a lot of people take classical music very seriously, and I don't know why. I think if you have a stick up your butt and you think that Lizzo shouldn't be playing a crystal flute and twerking with it, and you're mad about it, I don't know what bee is in your bonnet, because Lizzo is a fine musician, and I really think that we have to lighten the hell up when it comes to classical music. I don't care if someone shows up to the opera in jeans and a ripped t-shirt. They are there, their butts in a seat, and if they stand up and enjoy it afterward and like hoot and holler, I welcome it. I really think that we really need to relax when it comes to what is proper in classical music. A lot of us are regular people. Most of us are like regular people. So, I mean, you really need to calm down. It's not that big of a deal. It's like, just calm down. Lizzo is a fine musician, and I respect her. If I could play a 200-year-old crystal flute on stage and twerk, I'd probably twerk with it too. Except I can't really twerk. So that's an issue. Maybe I would do like the Charleston. I can do the Charleston. We're tap dancing. We're good. I gotta get out of here. See you tomorrow.